Hey guys, AJ here with PMI Georgia with another quick maintenance tip for you guys today. We're here at one of our homes and we're going to be talking about the breaker box today. One thing that we encourage all of our tenants to do is to familiarize themselves on the location of the breaker box within their home. The breaker box, as you can see, has a door with a latch that you'll simply just push in to open. Most breakers are already itemized out, telling you the location that the power is going to be shut off inside the home. If we had an outlet or any sort of electrical device that wasn't working, such as a ceiling fan, or we were going to be doing work in some area, we're going to want to check on the breaker and make sure, one, the breaker is off if we're going to be working in that area, and two, if we're checking to see why we're not getting power to that area, that the breaker isn't set in the off position. So, to simply to shut off energy to an area, we'll turn it off, and that will be stopping the power from going to the stove area. To get it back on, we're simply gonna flick it facing in, and that should be supplying us power to that location. Now, of course, if you're ever using a breaker and you're shutting it off to do work and mess with the wiring, confirm that the power is dead at the area that you will be working. Just because it is labeled does not mean that it is properly labeled. So please take that extra step to ensure your safety and to ensure that project will get done right and safely. This is just another quick tip from PMI Georgia, and we look forward to hearing from you guys and serving you in the near future.